our frame is who is holding on.
Spacewalking 250 miles above Earth. 2 Russian cosmonauts float outside the International Space Station. They're adding panels to help protect their living quarters from passing debris.
Hoist module, and it's labeling right across the bottom of your frame there.
Podolka and Malinchenko also move a hand-operated crane to prepare for the installation of a new Russian module to the station.
He arrived already. Yeah,
They're also planning to release a small satellite which will help engineers evaluate orbital tracking.
Host of the Strela 2 cargo crane.
2 astronauts are scheduled to make another spacewalk at the end of August.